role revision exercise in Bihar has intensified with protests and sloganeering being witnessed in the parliament. Day 2 of monsoon session of parliament has been marked with disruption and chaos, with both houses seeing adjournments within minutes of being convened this morning. The hangama continued outside the house as well, with opposition MPs staging a protest against SIR special intensive revision at the Makar Dwar. Opposition MPs held placards saying SIR amounted to death of democracy.
The opposition parties are protesting at Makar Dwar against the special intensive revision, and these are the visuals from Makar Dwar. You can see that how Rahul Gandhi, another senior leader of the opposition parties, Akhilesh Yadav, A. Raja, Dharmendra Yadav, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, they are all protesting at the Makar Dwar. Now, the opposition has been saying this, that the Election Commission has undertaken the exercise of SIR to cut the vote of the people coming on from the minority community and from the backward classes, and perhaps that is why they say that this particular exercise should not be undertaken. And they also say that Election Commission is working on the behest of the BJP to cut out the votes of the opposition party. So a massive protest over here. What we see is that Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Akhilesh Yadav, Kanni Modi, all the senior leaders of the opposition parties are present in this particular protest, and they have been saying this, that it's not just Bihar, but this exercise will not stop with Bihar. This exercise will go on in West Bengal and other states, which will in the end benefit the BJP. So clearly a massive protest over here against the SIR. The government has been saying this, that what exactly is the issue with the opposition parties if the SIR is being conducted and the names of illegal immigrants, Rohingyas, are being cut off from the electoral roll. So clearly massive politics from roads to parliament. We see the protest happening, and the opposition says that they are against the SIR.
Well, INDI bloc leaders held a meeting in the presence of Rajya Sabha LOP Mallikarjun Kharge and Lok Sabha LOP Rahul Gandhi. Sources say that decision was taken that SIR issue will be raised in both houses of parliament and pressure will be built to allow Rahul Gandhi to speak in the house. Opposition leaders continue to raise questions on the role revision exercise, alleging that it is aimed at disenfranchising people, particularly those from the marginalized and minority communities. Listen in.
लोकतंत्र का कत्ल है और हम इसी के लिए हम बार बार बोल रहे हैं कि ये एकदम गलत है जो कर रहे हैं। ये लोकतंत्र का कत्ल है और हम इसी के लिए हम बार बार बोल रहे हैं कि ये एकदम गलत है जो कर रहे हैं।
I view the SIR, the Special Intensive Revision, to Jim Crow laws, which were prevalent in America during the days of segregation, where they used those laws to disenfranchise people of color. I believe this SIR is going to be used to disenfranchise people from marginalized communities, particularly the minorities.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी किसी को वोट नहीं डालने देना चाहती, और बिहार में जिस तरीके की कार्रवाई चल रही है, इसी तरह उत्तर प्रदेश में जानबूझ करके भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने इलेक्शन कमीशन से मिलकर के और प्रशासन के सहारे बड़े पैमाने पर वोट काटे थे, डिलीटेड शो किया था। और जिस समय हम लोगों ने आपत्ति की और आरोप लगाया तो उन्होंने हमें नोटिस दिया। नोटिस के जवाब में मैंने खुद समाजवादी पार्टी से सभी लोगों ने, कार्यकर्ताओं ने, नेताओं ने मिलकर के 18,000 जिन्होंने वोट डाले थे बाद में डिलीटेड कर दिया था उनका, और वो वहीं थे, जिंदा थे, लेकिन 18,000 का विद एफिडेविट इलेक्शन कमीशन को जानकारी दी, लेकिन किसी भी अधिकारी के खिलाफ कभी कोई कार्रवाई नहीं हुई है। और बूथ पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग पता नहीं कौन सी मशीन रखते हैं कि अगर आपको वोटर आईडी चाहिए जो आपका इलेक्शन कमीशन बनाता है वो 5 मिनट बना देते हैं, आधार कार्ड चाहिए जिसको वो 5 मिनट बना देते हैं।
It's not only opposition parties which have been saying that SIR should be stopped immediately. It's the common citizen of this country, the poor, the Dalit, the tribal, the backward community, the EBCs, and the minorities. You know, you are confining the entire process to 11 documents. The saturation level of these documents in Bihar, which is the most document deficient state. We went to the Election Commission. They did not listen to us. They heard us out, but did not listen to us. We have moved to the court also. Probably, I think a good sense should prevail that the chaotic situation which we see all across Bihar, that's a moment in say our democracy where one man, one vote, one value is being denigrated.
All right, let's go across to Niyamika, who's joining us in the broadcast with more details. Niyamika, after the issue of Pahalgam and seeking answers from the government, the opposition was very clear right from the start that SIR is going to be another big issue that they are going to raise in the parliament. That is exactly what the opposition is doing, alleging that through SIR, the government is targeting people from the marginalized and minority community.
Well, yes, indeed, it is not the very first time when the opposition parties are making this kind of allegation upon the Election Commission of India as well as to the BJP. As earlier also we have seen that how they had approached the Election Commission. They had also taken a legal route. They had given a petition in Supreme Court of India as well. In fact, a big protest was also being organized in the state of Patna, where all the Mahagathbandhan parties were being present. But now this issue has been taken up in the parliament, as this was one of the major matter which the opposition parties had already decided to take it up and to question the government of India during this parliament session, apart from the Pahalgam terror attack. As on the very first day, we have seen that how they had demanded that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should come to the parliament and give answers to all these questions which the opposition parties are raising regarding Pahalgam terror attack. But for the second day, it was being planned after the India Bloc meeting that they are going to hold a protest at Makar Dwar, which is going to be against the SIR exercise which is being conducted by the Election Commission of India, because the allegation which the opposition parties are making is that this is nothing but just to target tactics just to target the minorities, the Dalits in the state of Bihar just ahead of the assembly elections, because the BJP wants to cut the names of those voters who are not going to vote in favor of the BJP-JDU alliance in the state, and that is the only reason why this entire exercise is getting conducted. They are also questioning that how the revision of the electoral rolls can be done within the time span of 30 days, as it is humanly impossible to do, because last time when it was being conducted, that was being done in 2003 and the elections were supposed to take place in 2005. So 2 years were being taken to conduct this entire exercise in the state of Bihar. But this time, how can Election Commission of India can plan this exercise to be conducted within the time span of 30 days? So all of
the opposition is questioning, Niyamika, the intent, the timing, and alleging that this is only to ensure that those who are not going to vote for them are out of the voter list. That's the charge of the opposition. Niyamika, thank you very much for breaking down the details for us. The showdown in Parliament comes a day after West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee issued an open warning to the Election Commission, saying if SIR is carried out in Bengal, she will gherao the Election Commission and won't allow the exercise to be conducted in the state.
लेकिन जैसे बिहार में 40 लाखों का ज्यादा आदमी को नाम निकाल दिया और बंगाल में भी करने वाला है, अगर करेगा तो घेराव कर्मसूची करेंगे, पूरा घेराव होगा, पूरा आंदोलन होगा। हम नाम काटने नहीं देंगे, हम नाम डालने नहीं देंगे डिटेंशन कैंप में।
Well, BJP is also countering these attacks coming in from the opposition. BJP says opposition's constitution hypocrisy has been exposed as they vow to uphold the constitution but are opposing the exercise mandated by the very constitution.
मुझे लग रहा है अब विपक्ष गुंडागर्दी पे उतर गया। बिहार में से लेकर के लोकसभा, राज्यसभा, आज बिहार के अंदर ये लोग संविधान की बात कर रहे हैं। क्या संवैधानिक संस्था चुनाव आयोग नहीं है? क्या उस संविधान के तहत नहीं चलता है? 2003 में उस समय नरेंद्र मोदी देश के प्रधानमंत्री थे क्या? आखिर ये जानबूझ करके ये गुंडागर्दी है।
All right, with that, we're slipping into a very short break. We'll, of course, get you more updates on this big story we are tracking very closely on the other side as well.